Welcome to my study notebook. Today we are going to solve a very easy problem of percentage and see what a typical question looks like. So in this question it says there are 200 people in the first row of Wonder Woman. 75 of them are men, 60 are children, and the rest are women. Now we have to compare between two quantities. Quantity A is a number 30% and quantity B is percentage of women attending. So the comparison is pretty straightforward. We have to find the percentage of women attending and see whether it's equal to 30%, greater than, or less than. So in this show there are a total of 200 people, and of them 75 are men and 60 are children, and the rest are women. So if we just deduct the number of men and children, then we get the number of women, which is equal to 65. So there are 65 out of a total of 200, so that actually gives us the percentage, which is around 32.5%. So quantity B would be 32.5%, which is obviously bigger than 30%. So in this case, the answer is that quantity B is greater.